you insert this side into the back of the hydraulic fill where this magnet is located. And here's your on-off button. When you press the on button, off button, the blue light illuminates. And here's where you install the hydraulic oil with a Vac Trac to see the minimal loss of hydraulic oil. This Kubota that we're actually demonstrating this on is a Kubota L4701. Now I'll demonstrate on this same tractor without a Vac Trac. And now to show you what happens if you put a Vac Trac in the back of the tractor, how it slows the fluid down.